Good day, everybody. Camino SS is in the progress here of getting some wiring done for the LS engine. So here's what I got. Got the engine in place. Got the BP harness pulled through the hole here. I did drill the hole just a tad smaller than what they recommend, 2 1/8 or something like that, 2 1/4 they wanted. I went with 1 3/4 because I am using not the rubber duck boot that comes on the harness. I'll be cutting that off. I'll be using a billet pass-through wiring harness plate that goes here. It'll get some riv nuts in the firewall and some stainless hardware to hold it in place. The smaller hole, that's going to be for expansion. If I decide I want to go add something else, and who knows. Anyway, exciting stuff. Getting a lot of componentry on order. At least maybe this winter want to get the engine, at least so it'll start. I got to get a fuel tank. I'm going to get the Holley in-tank fuel pump, which is a nice setup because it bleeds right back into the gas tank. You only need one line, you don't need a return. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, it's a great time right now. I got the Epic 64, the Chevelle, in storage off-site, just so I can have this in the garage, my little teeny garage here. I can keep puttering with this during the winter, get it all as much done as I can. Kind of running out of funds for this project right now. I got some other bills I got to pay, but it's nice to at least see the engine in it. And kind of in one piece, got the hood on it. You know, it's got the 15 Camaro hood scoop. That's the ventilator that goes underneath the hood. This is the louver that goes on the top. So this will drain down just like on the factory Camaros. Any water comes in, drains down out these drains here, dumps out just in front of the pulley system. So it lets air in and out, and it allows water to get out of there too. So that's a good thing. It's like a 90% cool fit. Doesn't fit exactly, but you know, you gotta expect that when it's not even supposed to be on there. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Hope you guys keep up with the channel. Update you more as we go along here. So right now, Camino SS signing off.